Hello everyone, welcome back to All Why Questions. Okay, today we are going to answer more why questions from our kids and get more fun with animals. So, remember to subscribe and ring the bell to have more new videos. Now, first why question. Why do bees make honey? Adult bees basically make honey to feed larvae, baby bees, and themselves. Wow, the answer is so short, but I'm sure it will satisfy your kids. Is snow always white? Snow is made up of tiny transparent ice crystals. Because normal light is white and snow is highly reflective, snow will always appear to be white. Why do ants have a queen? It's the queen who lays the eggs. These eggs will give birth to new ants in the colony, so without a queen the ant colony would be doomed to disappear. What is a bug? Bugs are insects that have needle-like beaks. A bug uses its beak to cut open its food. Then it sucks up the tasty juices inside, using its beak like a straw. Why are some plants poisonous? Some plants developed special defenses over thousands of years to protect themselves against animals trying to eat them. Some plants like rose bushes grow sharp thorns, while others have made themselves poisonous. How is paper made? Most paper is made from wooden trunks of trees. The logs of wood are cut into smaller chips and turned into a special kind of wood pulp. Then this pulp mixture is poured out onto a screen to create sheets of paper. Are spiders insects? Spiders and insects are related, but they are not the same. There are differences in insects and spiders, but the easiest way to tell is that insects have 6 legs and spiders have 8, making spiders belong to the Arachnida family. How do plants feed? The plants are fed through its roots that suck the water in earth and the various elements that are needed. They also feed through leaves, coated with tiny holes which allow them to get oxygen in the air. Why do fireflies glow in the dark? Fireflies have some chemicals in their bodies that will allow them to shine. They light up not only as a mating ritual to look for partners but also, sometimes, to lure prey. Why are all snowflakes different? As snowflakes tumble through the air, swirling and spiraling, they each take a different and unique path to the ground. Each snowflake falls and floats through clouds with different temperatures and moisture levels, which shapes each snowflake in a unique way. How many oceans exist? Even though technically all of the oceans in the world are connected to each from largest to smallest, they are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. How do tornadoes occur? Thunderstorms develop when warm, moist air rises and cools. This creates clouds. Water vapor condenses and releases heat. This release of heat creates the energy in a thunderstorm. Under certain conditions, when the air moving up into the cloud is very strong, a tornado can occur. Why are there waves? Most of the waves in the ocean are actually caused by wind. When wind blows and pushes across the surface of the water, it causes the water to move around, creating waves. What is an invertebrate animal? Animals without backbones are called invertebrates. Insects, spiders, snails, worms, jellyfish, prawns and crabs are all invertebrates. Is the soil always brown? Sometimes soil is red, yellow or even black. Most soil, however, is brown. Soil is created by the way plants and animals decompose. Over time, dead trees, flowers, and even bits of food break down and rot. Organic material that decomposes leaves behind minerals which will give soil its color. Where does gold come from? Gold is a mineral that comes from within the earth. Most gold today is extracted using special methods of mining, but in the past gold could be found by panning in a stream. How can sheep's wool become a sweater? Usually sheep are shorn, having their wool cut off, about once a year, often in the spring. After being cut from the sheep, the wool goes through several special processes to change it from wool into a fabric you can wear. These processes include sorting, cleaning, and often spinning the wool into yarn, for knitting. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you so much.